Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Lightroom Classic CC lets you back up catalogs manually and schedule automatic catalog backups. However, it's important to understand that backups executed from within the Lightroom Classic CC interface only include the catalog file. If you want to back up edited photos or files exported from Lightroom Classic CC, you must perform independent backup operations outside of the Lightroom application. Keep in mind that performing regular catalog and photo backups can reduce data loss after a system crash or file corruption. Whenever possible, store backup copies of photos and catalogs on a separate hard disk from your working files. By default, Lightroom Classic CC saves backed up catalogs to a Backups folder within the same folder that contains the selected catalog. Within the Backups folder, a new folder with the date and time of the backup is also created. Lightroom Classic CC writes a new catalog every time it creates a backup. You may want to delete or compress old backup files to save storage space. To manually back up a catalog, choose Edit, Catalog Settings from the menu bar. The Catalog Settings dialog box then appears on screen. In the Backup section of the General tab within the dialog box, you'll see the Backup Catalog drop-down menu. You can use this menu to set the automatic catalog backups as well as perform manual backups. To perform a manual backup, choose the When Lightroom Next Exits command from the drop-down menu. Then click OK to save your choice and close the dialog box. Then exit Lightroom Classic CC to complete the backup.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.